Now I'm going to show you a couple of new features that have been added into the Sketcher for NX 2312. The first one is under Include, and it's a sketch silhouette curve. So with the silhouette curve, you're going to specify either the body or the individual faces that you want to bring in. So this is existing external 3D geometry, a surface, sheet body, or solid body of some sort. Do I want it associative? And I have optimized options here. So I want to bring in this face, and bring in this face, and bring in this face, and bring in this face. Now notice it's doing the silhouette based off of that sketch plane. So it's basically taking the outline of those faces that I have specified and projecting them into my sketch. Also notice they are purple, meaning they are included. These are linked to external geometry. So for that, I'm going to pick these and just say I want these as construction elements. Next is going to be slot. Now, in order to get this, you may have to turn on the More gallery. This may be turned off, so just make sure you turn that on and go into slot. With slot, you're basically specifying a start point, an end point, and a width. So with that, I'm going to come in and say, all right, well, I have my start point here, my end point is down here, and my width is going to be whatever I specify. Now, if I come in and, okay, there's my linear dimension. If I pick that linear dimension, even though it's showing that I have a circle or, a little pen, what happens is the dimension becomes an actual dimension. It's not just a potential saying, hey, do you want this? It places the dimension without having to turn these on. So for example, I'll do another one. I'll come over here. We'll go the length. As soon as I click, you'll notice this is on, so it created the 6. This is green. If I cancel out now, then this is going to disappear. But if I want to keep it, I just click on it and it keeps it. Now I'll do that again. I'll draw. Come over here. This time I will close that out. Notice that the green dimension disappeared. So it's got some very nice nuances inside of that slot tool. So I go back into slot. Now I can say, all right, this is this, and this. What's my length? What's my angle? What's my width? Whatever that is. Maybe my angle's at 45. And as soon as I place this, you'll note that it places that 45-degree angle on there as well. Close, and all that's left for me to do is basically to position these. And for that, I can go in and use those curves that I had brought in. Let's say 10, because that's why I brought them in. And go through, I'm not going to do them all, but and go through and constrain the rest of the sketch as you see fit. But those are the two new functions in 2312, and very happy with them. The silhouette curve is very useful. It was a little trickier to do this before this, so you had to do the external function and then import those in. So now it's you no longer need that external function to do that, which is nice. And as well as slots, this is going to save me a lot of time.